After arrest and before trial comes jail. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Another night in the streets, another night in this hell. I've been kicking and tripping, the cops just threw me in jail. Got my fingers in ink, they got my head on the lights. Dear Lord, please get me out this jail tonight. Get me out, just get me out.
I've been a correction officer for 13 years. Primarily, it's been booking for almost 10 years. We get everything. The murderers, the rapists, the child molesters, we do get it all. Every day is a different story. Every day is a different adventure. You know, you come in, you don't know what's gonna happen. When you think you just seen it all, something else goes off.
Code Red, available officers, report to Code Red.
There's an incident in the dorm, so every officer available is gonna respond. K9 is gonna respond, and we'll see how, when we get there, how big of a fight it might be. Make sure this door is closed behind us. Make sure it's closed now. Pull it tight, pull it tight. Pull it tight, so we'll do it. All right. Let's go. All right, let's go. On your beds. Let's go. Break it up. Shoot him. Get up. Get on your bed. Face down.
Everybody else face down.
Get on your bed. Face down. Face the opposite way to the rear wall. Everybody face to the rear wall. Now! All right, let's go. Open it up. Yeah, you shot him. They were going at it. No one should be looking back here. Nobody.
Don't move. Nobody move.
Face down. Take that head off. Face down.
Lay on your belly.
All right. Okay. That's it.
That shit on the fighter?
That's it. They were going at it right there, so. They were going at it right there, so.
He got shot.
You feeling pain anywhere? That's it?
See, less than lethal pepper ball launcher.
What's that, baby powder or something
Yeah,
in there? And just
baby
like
talcum
a
powder.
paintball gun?
I take them both to medical and go first. You got my keys.
Get mine, Dalton, grab mine. Okay, and my scissor. Come here. Face the wall over there. Pound the one. Put him in there. All right, he's going to be housed in here till the sergeant does his investigation, finds out why exactly they were fighting. All right. We'll bring you your clothes and shoes. All right? What size are those? 8. Well, we're going to try to keep everybody separate for now. Step in. All right, that's what typically happens every time there's a fight in the institution. They're separated, an investigation is done as to why they were fighting. They were either one or both to be charged with fighting, depending if they find out who's the aggressor or whatever reason. It's up to the sergeants in classification what they're going to do with them after this point.
All right, listen up. You're charged with fighting with another person, also charged with refusing an order. How do you plead?
Not guilty.
Well, what were you doing?
I was playing chess.
You were playing chess, and?
And I don't know the other guy's name. I know him by Muslim. He was banging cards on the table. And I asked him repeatedly, I said, excuse me, man, you know, every time you bang on the table, the chess pieces fly up, and we're playing on this table too. So he's like, oh, I don't care, you know, you can go to another table. The tables, you know what I'm saying, it's for everybody to enjoy, you know what I'm saying? So I said, please, man, stop banging on the table.
Who threw the first punch? You threw the first?
No, he put his hands on me.
Oh, yeah?
And that's when I pushed him off me, and we started fighting.
Okay. The refusing an order, the officers weren't telling you to stop fighting? They weren't yelling, you didn't hear them?
Sarge, I was involved in a fight. I'm
Yeah.
not listening to the, I'm not even hearing the, no. I'm
You
not,
heard when they shot you with the gun, though. That you felt, right?
felt
You
that.
stopped right away, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So right now, you're gonna be placed in SDU until you're hearing.
SDU.
Until you're hearing, yeah. Okay? Put them away.
It was crazy how it went down. You know what I mean? There's 2 whole tables unoccupied. You know what I mean? We're there first. They choose to sit in the back of us to play, you know, to play chess. But yet they want to complain about us slam. Come on, you know how it is when you play spades, man. You know what I mean? We all amped up. So then he comes and just like straight what they call D-blocking the whole game. If I can't play chess, nobody ain't playing. So I'm like, look at this guy, man. You know what I'm saying? Okay, well, you're not playing chess, man. I just sat back. But then when I thought it was over, when he moved and I went to resume the game, you know what I mean? He came and just pushed me out the way. You know, once you throw the first blow, man, now it's fighting style.
All right, it's gonna be investigated now, and then you'll go in front of a hearing board and they'll make the final decision. All right, you can put him back. Let's go, Lord.
Fernando.
The other guy's not gonna do it. You down?
It's gonna lock him in and pull the other one out. When you're in this type of environment with people with different issues, anything can go off and anything can change your day. So if they plead not guilty to fighting, they'll set up for a hearing. One will go back to the same dorm and the other one will go to another dorm. That's how a fight goes.
I'm Deputy Frank Rapsat with the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office. What we have to deal with is substance abuse and alcohol. Yeah, it's a big major thing down in Florida. Suspects that come in, it's a big issue that we show the respect no matter what condition they're in, whether they're drunk, on drugs. We still have to show the respect to them as well as we want the respect back.
All right.
You know what?
Hey, hey.
Come on, smart mouth.
Abuse. The cops abusing people. See him?
Ma'am.
Okay. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
You are not going to talk disrespect me like that, okay? You will not disrespect me.
I didn't disrespect anybody. My mother knows judges in New York.
Doesn't matter, ma'am.
You're hurting my arm.
Quit trying to grab mine.
You're hurting my arm. I didn't do anything wrong.
Stop yelling.
Call my lawyer.
No, I don't call people's lawyers.
My mother is a judge in New York.
Ma'am, I'm from New York, so
right?
you're being stupid right now. I'm a New Yorker as well, okay? Nice mouth. You kiss your mom with that mouth?
I was never read my right.
Well, you definitely have the right to remain silent at any given time you want. You have the right to it.
And we'd appreciate it if you go ahead and do that.
Out with me, man.
That's a shame to claim that you're a New Yorker.
And what did I do?
Just comply with the orders, okay?
Nah, you don't put your hands on me.
Keep your hand up here and don't move like I just told you.
I might catch a beating right now.
Stand right there.
You want to strip my clothes? Strip my clothes.
I've got some clothes, thanks. Appreciate it.
Please.
Step in. Obnoxious young lady.
I want to apologize, everybody. Not everybody from New York's like that. So now she's being really obnoxious and she's being rude and disrespectful to the law enforcement. So she's going to have to stay in there until we get her charged in, and hopefully she'll calm down after that. So. Officer Knuckles, can you explain to us why she was brought in here?
Yeah, she was very disorderly. She was trespassed from the casino. She was told to leave. We dealt with her in a real nice manner. She got very irate with us, started yelling at officers on the scene.
Was she walking out staggering, or was she just yelling?
No, she actually refused to pay a cab driver and paid the cab driver at a later point in time. But then she caused a disturbance, screaming and yelling inside the casino.
We're just going to relocate this lady from the holding cell she's in with a couple other female inmates over to this one because she's a little bit loud and combative, disruptive.
I've been violated. The cops have beat me. Oh, yeah, they have beat me. This officer here.
Here you go. Here you go. Have a seat. There you go.
I want a lawyer right away.
You'll get one.
fine, just not right away.
She'll stay over here by herself. Hopefully she'll settle down, cooperate with the booking process, come out in a little while. But she's going to be in there for probably half hour or so at least till she calms down and cooperates with the procedures. Hopefully over here by herself, a little more out of view. She won't be taking her clothes off, exposing herself to the male inmates out there, creating a disturbance. Hopefully we won't have to worry about that again.
The sooner you behave, the sooner you get out of this cell. Do you understand me, Linda? Until you calm down, you cannot come out of here. She just doesn't get it.
She wasn't following instruction or listening to what she's being told. She's going to be banging on the glass. She was very animated all over the cell, acting very erratic. All right, what's your name? I can't hear you. No, what's your name? No, what's your name? That part has nothing to do with me. You have to show us that you're not going to act all crazy and expose yourself. If we understand each other, then you need to have a seat and settle down, and you show me that you can behave, and then we'll let you out. Excellent.
She seems to indicate that she understood what Corporal Bryant was saying, but whether or not she'll do it, I don't know. So we'll give her a few minutes and see what happens.
Linda has calmed down quite a bit. I can see her back there. So what I'm going to do is walk her through the process, because she disrobed earlier, and if she goes through that same type of scenario again, that could obviously cause us a large problem in the open booking area. All right. I want to go home. Yeah, but it doesn't work that way, Linda. I'm trying to help you out so you can go home, but you got to follow the process. Yeah, wait till you do that bond stuff and fingerprint picture.
Where do I do that?
When they call you up. Okay? Linda and I were getting along famously, and I was able to explain to her the bonding procedure, the fingerprinting, and the photograph, and she should be out within the next 2 hours.